us today and dare to speak. Thanks for introducing these awesome products. I hope all of you like these awesome products, and now it's time for the prices. First of all, let's start with the lifestyle product, which is toothbrush. Realme's M1 Sonic electric toothbrush. A combination of power pack performance with all the advanced features and a beautiful design. How much should we price it at? Alright, let's price the Realme M1 Sonic electric toothbrush. It will be priced at rupees 1,999 rupees. The first sale for Realme M1 will be on 10 September starting at 12 noon, and it will be available on realme.com as well as on Flipkart. Then comes the adventure luggage with stylish design inspired by FlexiCube, featuring 100% bare durable PC, smooth 360 degrees wheels, large 36-liter capacity, and many more practical features. Well, the price for the adventure luggage is 2,999 rupees. Again, the first sale will be on 10 September starting 12 noon on realme.com. Then how do you like about the cheek and the unique Realme tote bag? 2. It's an indispensable fashion item for the stylish you. The price of beautiful Realme tote bag would be 999 rupees. Again, the first sale would be on 10th of September starting on 12 noon on realme.com. Now let's unveil the smartphones. Realme 7, carrying the world's first G95 gaming processor, the Sony 64 megapixel sharpest quad camera, 30 watts dart charge, 5000 mAh milliamp battery, 90 Hz ultra smooth display, instant side fingerprint, and the best quality certified by TÜV Rheinland. Comes with two different variants, 4GB, 64GB and 8GB, 128GB. The price for Realme 7 4GB, 64GB would be priced at rupees 14,999 rupees only. The price for Realme 7 8GB, 128GB would be priced at 16,999 rupees only. But wait a moment, guys. I know you've been expecting more from me. Is 4GB enough for you? Well, we have a surprise for you. We know you are eager for bigger RAM always. So today's, with the price at rupees 14,999 only, we are featuring Realme 7 with big 6GB RAM. Yes, I believe you will love and enjoy this upgrade. So the price for Realme 6GB, 64GB Realme 7 would be 14,999 rupees only. The first sale for Realme 7 will be on 10th of September starting 12 noon, and it will be available on Flipkart and realme.com, and soon will be available in the stores nearby you. Finally, let's take a look at the price for the amazing Realme 7 Pro, a real flagship for the youth, featuring Sony's 64 megapixel sharpest quad camera, India's fastest 65-watt super dart charge, Super AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 720G processor, dual Dolby Atmos speakers, best quality certified by TÜV Rheinland, and many awesome features. The Realme 7 Pro will be available in two variants, 6GB, 128GB and 8GB, 128GB. So let's unveil the price now. The Realme 7 Pro 6GB, 128GB would be priced at rupees 19,999 rupees only. The Realme 7 Pro 8GB, 128GB would be priced at 21,999 rupees. The first sale for Realme 7 Pro will be on 14 September 2020, starting at 12 noon. It will be available on Flipkart and realme.com and will be soon